Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use screen time analytics on iOS 18.
So I just tab on my iPhone settings. So after here, I will just go back and just check screen time. So just tab on it. And if you're not unable the screen time, just tab on to enable. And it will show your applications a daily average and data collected. So when you tab on it, just see all app website activity. So just tab on it. And here is the weekly average you will see on your social applications and creativity and information reading. So here is you will see this Safari, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And whenever just tap on this day icon, today is 7th December. So this is collective data from previous 2 minutes you will see on Saturday. So when I was tab on this Safari, so it will be tell the analytics of this usage daily average. So this is how you can just use the analytics on screen time.
Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.